Hello and welcome to HomeBase Training. Today we're going to talk about adding a party to a transaction after you've moved your contacts from Outlook or from Top Producer into HomeBase. The reason I say that is it's important to make sure you have contacts in HomeBase because that's where you add your parties from. So let's go to Transactions. You're already into HomeBase. We'll go to Transactions. We'll pick a transaction. Let's go ahead and add an attorney to the transaction. Let's go to Parties. From Parties, I'm going to go to Add Search. Now remember, I'm pulling this from my contacts. If I have no contacts, I won't be able to pull this person in. Don't take the time to fill everything out here. Just put in the name of the person. Let's use Oliver Frascona. I've got Oliver in here, and we'll click Search. We'll just search the database and see if there's an Oliver Frascona in the system. And sure enough, in my contacts, I have Oliver Frascona. I'm going to go ahead. He is on the listing side of the transaction. That's important for permissions. I click Select, and just like that, all of Oliver's information is uploaded, and he is now a part of the transaction, as you can see. He's not invited in yet, but he's a part of the transaction. Notice on the right-hand side where it says Web Access, scroll down, you'll see there's a no next to his name. That means he has no invitation into the program. Let's give him permission. We go over to Oliver's name. We double-click his name. It's in blue. As that field opens up, we can see information about Oliver, confirm it's all correct, make sure we have an email address, and this is all it takes to invite him in. I'm going to go into the Login Name field and click Same as Email. I'm going to invite him in. I'm going to give Oliver a week to look at this transaction until the 10th, and then I click the Save button. Now keep in mind, the moment I click that Save button, Oliver will get 3 emails. One email saying, here's what HomeBase is all about, you're invited. Number 2, it's going to give him his username, and number 3, his password. So, before you click Save, make sure you call Oliver, or whoever you're going to invite into the transaction, and make sure they know what to expect. But it's just that easy.